Hi everyone. Tonight I'm going to cook clam chowder pasta and it's quite easy if you use the tin. So I just want to show you and it's very easy. First you need to parboil your pasta beforehand. And I used cheese pasta tonight. And I also chopped some cherry tomatoes so that I can add more veggies. And I also little bit dilute this clam chowder because too thick as a pasta sauce. So I dilute with water and also champagne. And also I put a little bit parboiled carrots. And then you can put pasta, and I recommend you to parboil pasta a little bit harder, like al dente pasta, so that you can stew pasta for a while in the clam chowder sauce, so that the sauce will absorb the taste more. And you can also add a little bit spice later if you wanna more flavor. I use Himalayan sea salt, and this is I got from Trader Joe's. And dried parsley is also recommendable because herb has a lot of antioxidant even its small portion. And I also sometimes love to use this one, celery seed powder, when I cook tomato sauce pasta. And tonight I'm going to add turmeric at the end. So this clam chowder pasta will become yellow later. More yellow pasta. And broccoli is a good source of protein. Many people don't know because broccoli is a vegetable, so people think it's carbohydrate, but broccoli actually has a lot of protein. So yeah, I recently tried to cook broccoli often. Yeah, in the morning I also often eat broccoli. So this pasta is very easy. Just warm up clam chowder soup and just toss boiled pasta. And if you are more lazy people, you can also soak pasta into water beforehand and just toss into the pasta. Yeah, toss the pasta into the clam chowder and stew for a longer time. And by that way, you can also cook pasta without parboiling. And it's also delicious, like it's more chewy pasta, I think. So some people do that, like just soak pasta beforehand and just toss into the sauce and stew for a while. But I think for Italian people, it's not like proper way. And also when you break pasta in the middle, you can also boil pasta quickly. I also heard, like for Italian people, it's crime. It's a kind of crime. Yeah. Yeah, it's done. And I will also add this one later. Turmeric is also good when you cook scrambled eggs or when I cook Japanese curry. I also add extra turmeric at the end. And turmeric is also good spice for anti-inflammation and also promote blood circulation because turmeric is also a kind of family of ginger, so turmeric has the same benefit as ginger. Sorry, my English isn't good tonight.